Hi everyone, in this video, I will teach you how to repost someone's Instagram story to your story. So basically, there are two ways in doing this. And for the first one, let's go ahead and open Instagram. Okay, once you've opened, you will be going to your messages. As for to check if someone has mentioned you in their story. On the top right corner of your screen, just tap in the messages icon. And as you can see, there is a conversation pertaining to that person mentioned me in a story. Let's go ahead and tap that person. And once you've opened the conversation, you will be seeing this screen. And as you can see, there is a message saying that this person mentioned me in their story. And on the bottom part of it, you can see the add to your story button. And as for what I'm saying earlier, I'll show you that I've been mentioned in that person's story. You can either tap this button or the button on the story itself, add this to your story. And once you've tapped it, you'll be transferred to the screen. You can either edit it or add a sticker if you'd like, or do whatever you like. And then you can repost it. Okay. And for the second way, let's go back. If you're not tagged or mentioned in the story, you can just go ahead and screenshot it or just screen record, just like this one. If you're not tagged and you press this send button, it doesn't give you any option to repost it. You can just go ahead and screenshot, just like this one. Or you can either screen record and then go and add it to your story. That's it for this video. I hope this video helped. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, ring the notification bell for you to be updated for newly uploaded tutorials. And I'll see you in the next video.